Changing your primary email on Avon.io is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your Avon account. Visit the Avon.io website and log in using your current email address and password. This will take you to your account dashboard. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Src to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your email address. In the email preferences section, you will see your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email address, save the changes. Avon may send a verification email to the new address. Check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to confirm the change. After completing these steps, your primary email on Avon.io will be updated. Make sure to check both your old and new email accounts for any necessary confirmations.